Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a very exciting unboxing for you. My first unboxing in this channel. So I was contacted by Pascal to see if I wanted to check some of their pieces. And since they have a beautiful selection of watches, of course I had to pick one of them for me to unbox it here with you. Pascal is a jewelry brand based in California, which specializes in lab-grown diamonds. So let's get started. So my watch arrived in this magnetic box, and then inside I have the jewelry box, and inside the box here's the watch in a velvet cushion, really well packaged. The one I chose is called Oval Orbit Diamond Watch. I'm already in love with it. I chose mine in color brown because I think it goes with everything. It's a great neutral. But there are 4 other options for you to choose of the same watch. It comes with a certificate of authenticity. It has a 2-year warranty. And it also comes with this little tool. It also comes with some do's and don'ts and a little manual. The retail price for this watch is $195, which is already pretty affordable for a watch like this with diamonds. But it can get even better since I'll leave my discount code in the description box for you. So let's talk materials because I think it's always important. So this is a stainless steel watch. The bracelet is leather and it has 10 lab-grown diamonds inside. If you don't know, lab-grown diamonds are a lot more ethically sourced than mined diamonds. So you get a more sustainable piece of jewelry, which is also gonna be more affordable, without compromising quality because they just look the same. So these were my first impressions of my Pascal watch. If you're interested, don't forget to use my discount code in the description box. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.